Hello, students. Today we are going to discuss the questions and answers of chapter 2nd, Growth of Nationalism. The first question is, explain the term of nationalism. Nationalism refers to the feeling of oneness and common consciousness that emerges when people living in a common territory shares the same historical, political and cultural background, have the same language, cultural values and consider themselves as one nation. Second question, why was the feeling of nationalism lacking among the Indians before the arrival of British? The feeling of nationalism was lacking among the Indians before the arrival of the British because India was never a one nation and it was comprised of many kingdoms. Third question, state two reasons for the development of nationalism in the late 19th century. Two reasons are economic exploitation, repressive colonial policies. Fourth question, give any two examples to indicate that the British followed the policy of economic exploitation in India. The first point, the peasants were subjected to exploitation due to high rate of taxation. Second, the British products were cheap because of no or nominal duty which reduced the demand of the Indian handicrafts. Fifth question, give two reasons for the industrial stagnation during the British rule in India. Two reasons for industrial stagnation. The English East India Company transformed Indian economy to cater their economic needs. The English East India Company misused their political power to destroy Indian industries. Question 6. What role did the press play in national movement? The press was the main instrument through which the nationalists spread modern economic, social and political ideas which created a nationalist consciousness. The new ideas like liberty, equality, justice, freedom, etc. reach the people through the press. Seventh question, who passed the Vernacular Press Act in 1878? Why was it passed? The Vernacular Press Act was passed by Lord Lytton. It was passed to prevent the vernacular newspapers to publish any material that might excite the feeling of dissatisfaction against the British government. Eighth question, who repealed the Vernacular Press Act in 1882? What impact did the act have on Indians? The Vernacular Press Act was repealed by Lord Ripon. Vernacular Press Act gave a stimulus to the political agitation and accelerated the pace of Indian nationalism. Ninth question, name any two prominent newspapers of the 19th century which played a significant role in arousing national sentiment among the Indians. The two newspapers are the Times of India and the Hindu. 10th question, State any two issues that the socio-religious reform movements worked for. The two issues are abolition of caste system and child marriage. 11th question. Name any two socio-religious reformers who prepared the ground for a national movement. Two socio-religious reformers are Rajaram Mohan Roy and Jyotiba Phule. 12th question. Name the organization founded by Jyotiba Phule. Why did he establish this organization? Jyotiba Phule founded the Satyashodak Samaj in 1873 with the aim of securing social justice for the weaker sections of the society. 13th question. What was the objective of the Ilbert Bill? Why was it not passed? The objective of Ilbert Bill was to abolish judicial disqualification based on race distinction. It was not passed because the British started a defense association against the bill. 14th question. Mention any two main objectives of Indian Association. Objectives of Indian Association are: first one, creation of a strong body of public opinion. Second, mass participation in public movements. 15th question. Mention the regional associations that each nationalist was associated with. Surendranath Banerjee and Dadabhai Naoroji. Surendranath Banerjee associated with Indian Association. Dadabhai Naoroji associated with East India Association. 16th question. When and by whom was the Indian National Congress established? The Indian National Congress was established in 1885 by A.O. Hume. 17th question. Where, when, and under whose presidency was the second session of Congress held? The second session of Congress was held in 1886 at Calcutta under the presidency of Dadabhai Naoroji.